So, good morning students. Welcome back to the tutorial. Students, as you know that we had started the chapter soil yesterday. We covered formation of soil. We covered importance of soil. We covered various types of soil on the basis of their different size particles. As I told you yesterday, today we will be covering the properties of soil. बच्चे, there are basically four main properties of soil. They are: soil has air, soil has water. I am writing here, soil has water. Then number three, that is it allows water to percolate. We will be, of course, discussing the meaning of percolation also. Then our fourth property is, last property is, it can absorb water. Right? Now, let us explain these properties one by one. First is that soil contains air, or soil has air. Students, how to prove it? You know, these are the properties that we know they are there, but how will you show that soil has air? For that, we have to do a very small experiment. We were doing this in our previous classes also. Students, for that, we have to take a beaker. We have to take a soil, garden soil, dry soil basically, right? And then some water. Then what you have to do, take that soil in a beaker, add water to it. When you add water to it, what you will see? Bubbles will come out. These bubbles that are coming out of the soil, why they are coming? Because these are the air bubbles, the soil which was present, the air which was present in the soil. When we pour water, this air tries to escape. Got my point? When we pour water, right, the air that was present in the soil, it tries to escape in the form of bubbles so that water particles can take the place. This shows that soil has air present in it, right? Now next is the soil contains water. इसके लिए बेटा soil has air के लिए you might be knowing there is very small diagram that you can draw. If it is asked in the exam, you can draw this like this, like this. What you have to do? Here is soil, right? You are adding the water. From here, you have to add the water. When you add the water, bubbles will be seen. These are the air bubbles, right? So this shows that soil contains air. Now next is soil has water. How to prove it कि soil में water भी है? Again, it is very simple. What you have to do, take a garden soil in a beaker, like I am taking a garden soil in a beaker like this, right? This is a garden soil. Now heat this using a tripod stand like this. You can heat it, right? This is a wire gauze and this is a tripod stand. Here it is a burner that is placed. This is a burner, right? When we heat the soil, we have to make sure that we cover it with a lid. This is a lid, right? Now, when we heat it, after some time, when we remove the lid, suppose this is a lid that I remove, I will see the water droplets here on the lid. From where does these water droplets come? These are the water droplets, right? From where does these water droplets come? When we heat the soil, the water present in the soil, due to heating, it becomes water vapor and tries to escape, try to evaporate. Now, when it touches this lid, this water vapor, it condenses and gets converted into water droplets which gathers here, right? It shows soil has water present in it. Hope it is very much clear to all. After this, third property is it allows water to percolate. But first of all, we should know the meaning of percolation. What is the meaning of percolation, beta? Percolation means it is a process in which water passes down slowly. I am writing here, process in which water passes down slowly through the soil, right? This is the definition of percolation of water, right? So, we can find the percolation rate of water. This is very important to learn the formula. Numericals are generally asked percolation rate of water. कितना पानी percolate हुआ है? Percolation of rate of water is equal to volume of water percolated. Please note down the formula. It is very important when numerical is asked. Volume of water percolated over time taken for percolation, right? So, I hope you can see this. After this, how much volume of water is calculated in how much? How much water is percolated? It is in milliliters over in minutes. So, इसका जो unit होगा, it will be percolated water का unit क्या होगा? Beta, make sure for units also during exam. Milliliter per minute. Right? Hope this is clear to all. Okay. Now students, coming to the numericals are asked based on this formula, right? Coming to the last property that we are going to do is that the soil can absorb water. Again, beta, it is based on percolation. You know soil, it absorbs water. How we can prove it? How to prove it? Bache, we have to take different types of soil, sandy soil, clay soil and loamy soil. What we have to do, we have to take beakers, you can say, and we have to take the funnel over it. Suppose I am taking these 3 beakers. Hurriedly, I will be finishing the topic, don't worry. Then, here we have to keep the funnel like this. Then in it we have to add the soil. Then we have to pour water in it. Different types of soil. Say first में है sandy, दूसरे में है clay, and third में है loamy. Right? When we pour water, the water will come down. Sandy में most of the water will come down because it cannot hold water. Then clay में very less amount of water will be coming out because clay soil can hold a large amount of water. It is sticky. And in loamy, medium amount of water will be there because it contains both sand particles and clay particles. Means soil can absorb water. Right? Hope this is clear to all. this was all about the properties of soil. Now student, our last topic is soil and crops. But a different type of soil, they need different types of crops. Like some soils, because they are very well aerated, some crops need less water, so they are grown in that type of soil. Like cactus, it is grown in sandy soil, right? Because it needs less water. So in the same way, some soils, they are good for some other type of crop. Like if you can say that lentils, dals, they are better for the loamy soil is better for this type of lentils and all, right? Apart from all these things, we should take care of our mother nature, right? Soil is one of those. We should protect our soil, we should conserve our soil. We should be very well aware how to prevent soil erosion, how to conserve our soil, use of pesticides, insecticides, it should be avoided, dumping of polythene bags in the soil, it should be avoided. All these things are making the soil infertile, right? So preserve your nature, take care of your environment, and take care of your health also. Okay? Till then, bye. Enjoy.